What's up, everybody? Raul back with another video. Stay tuned. A video. Can I do my video?
Yeah.
Alright, love you. Nice.
Damn!
Look at that, everybody. This little side piece right here. And for those of you that like stripes, look at that.
That's nice.
This is cut at 1 inch. And it is looking good, everybody. Now, this part, you're probably wondering, what happened here? Now, this is days in right here of what happened here. And if you all have been following me along, you will know that this was all filled in.
Acting like this is all my fault.
And yes, you are right. I'll put a video up here or a picture really quick. 15 days. This whole section was completely filled in. And then something happened. But you would have to stay tuned for the next video to come once the process is basically done of what went down here. But back to the lawn, everybody. Look at that. This is looking good. Now, I wanted to get this before the sun went down because the sun comes up this way. And right now it's over there about to go down. And I'm not even done yet, but I just want to show you guys. Yes, I'm doing a video. Can I do my video? Yeah. All right, love you. All right, everybody. So like I was saying, the lawn is looking really good. And I'm not done yet. But I just had to get a quick video in for you guys so you guys can actually see the process of the lawn. I mean, it is looking really good. I also have another video coming up with those little boogers right there, the yard guards. You guys see that coming out pretty soon, and you guys will see the video of what's going on over here. But yeah, for all of you following me along and staying tuned through this journey, I just want to say personally, thank you guys. And if you haven't hit that like button, please do so. If you think this video was useful or helpful or informative, And if you are barely tuning into my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe if you like what you see, because there is a bunch of content going on in this channel. I am all over the place. Check that out, everybody. Can't wait to tell you guys what happened here. Alright, everybody, like always, keep on growing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.